Alright, June 4th, 2022. Tyler Hayes here, 2332, coming to you south of Murry again. Going in to have the W814 on the way. That's a continuous welded rail train with IC 6264 to lead. Here it is. '61 with DMIR 406. Here's the last of it. GREX Conveyor operators to bring it up. End of train devices going. That'll do it for the W814. For that conveyor belt ballast train. Empty to be exact, because I didn't see any loads at the top. But we'll do it here, south of Murry. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. What a catch. Of the IC 6261 and the DMIR 406. What a catch. Thank you for watching, guys. Tyler Hayes out.